get into some tech news, have a little distraction, and get back to having some fun with you folks. Let me just jump right in here. Our friends at Stardock, they put out some cool, unique software, sometimes things you wouldn't think of. And this is one of those things that you wouldn't think of. It was wrote by Brad Sams, who is the general manager slash VP over at Stardock. It is called Connection Explorer. Now, what might that mean? And it really makes you think. It shows you in a geographic map where and what services your PC connects to. So, for example, you will see your OneDrive connect to various places over the United States, and I've seen mine a couple times in Canada, and you can see what these programs are accessing and where they are, and it might freak some people out when you see some of your traffic is going outside of the United States into countries where companies have servers to phone home to make you think, well, we're phoning home to Germany, we're phoning home to France, we're phoning home to Italy, Spain. You know, I don't know of anything phoning home to Russia that I have seen any reports of, but I've seen, phone homes to China reported. And you can also, if this is your thing and something you want to be concerned about, you can set alerts to come up on your screen in your taskbar to say, hey, this app is connecting to Russia, and you said for us to tell you if anything connected to Russia. So you can get a nice alert and a nice view and a breakdown and the ability to search and see what your PC is connecting to. And I think this is unique because we generally work with firewalls in the sense of we don't want people connecting to us. And we just get on our PCs and we use these services. We use Microsoft Teams, we use Slack, we use Internet Explorer, and we don't think about where are we connecting to? Where are our devices phoning home to? Where are they looking for software updates? What information is being shared? So at least you can use Connections Explorer and see where your PC is connected to. Now, we'll throw this out there. It's in beta. Brad let me know that it's still holding the beta tag. He's still working on it. This is an app that Brad wrote himself. He's still working on it, and it's part of the Object Desktop suite from Stardock. So you'll have to be an Object Desktop subscriber, but it is a free beta inside of Object Desktop. But it is kind of neat to see where your PC connects, and a little frightening sometimes too.
Yeah, this is like the anti-VPN essentially, or at least the VPN for use. Everyone's always talking about, hey, get a VPN because you don't want people to know where you're trying to get stuff from. But it's equally important to know kind of where you're getting stuff from. You may not want your local torrent to know, but you do want to know where it's coming from, just in case. This also is a way to protect yourself from spam, viruses, other kind of eligible threats, especially if there's a known quantity or entity or country that's notorious for that. So I'm all for it. I don't know if Brad sent us any copies for it. If not, we'll reach out to him, see if we can give you guys a little follow-up, a little hands-on and how it is, if you guys are interested in that.
I reached out this morning. He had put in the bottom of his release and the communication we had that if we wanted a key to check it out, let him know. So I reached out to him this morning to get some keys.
All right. So you guys heard that. Our buddy David is on the clock for some hands-on. He'll follow up and hopefully he'll have a write-up for you guys and see if there's something you're interested in. And once it's out of beta, something you may want to go and purchase, help out a developer, help out yourself as well.